Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G60S, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick capture settings category. Here we can find assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and when we move back to camera we get access to these lines in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to right corner settings, tap to capture category and turn it off here with assistive grid. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.